Hey guys, it's me Kahan, and today we're gonna do the Would You Rather game. And what it is basically it's a game where a person gives you two options or more and you can answer it. Anyway, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So we're gonna play the Would You Rather game so the user know it's a Would You Rather game, not like a other game like bingo or whatever. I did print. So I'm asking the user of what I'm giving the user of what like options, biking or hiking. So if the I'm gonna give them the input so they can write something, and whatever they write it'll get stored in outdoor. Outdoor is my variable. And if outdoor equals biking, that means if outdoor is biking, then it'll say or print or it'll say, okay, nice job, let's go to the next question. And if it says outdoor equals hiking, not biking, hiking, then it'll print the same thing. And if it's else, so if it's not any of those, then it'll print, please put an answer from the options I gave you. So if the user meant to write biking, but they wrote bilking, so they will know it's wrong. Anyway, let's get to the next one. I'm gonna do print. Here's the second would you rather question. So they know it's a new rather, the second one, that's the last one. And I did would you rather have a dog or cat? Now it'll be stored as pet and input. Like last time, they're gonna write input and it'll be stored in pet. And if their pet, that's a variable, is dog, then they'll print. Okay, now let's. Okay, nice job. Now let's see what job you will get. So this is gonna be the photographer, archaeologist, scientist, or zookeeper. And if they got cat, then it'll say the same thing. Anyway, if you do else, print the options I gave you. Now, if outdoor equals biking, then and if outdoor equals biking and if pet equals dog, then it'll say you're a photographer. But if outdoor equals hiking and if pet equals cat, it'll say you're an archaeologist. And if it says outdoor equals biking and pet equals cat, then you're a scientist. And if outdoor equals hiking and if pet equals dog, you're a zookeeper. Now, what are you waiting for? Let's run it. So, I would go biking and I would have a dog. So I'm a photographer. And if you did biking and if you did whoops and if you did cat, then you would be scientist, but not in real life. Maybe could be true. And if you did hiking and if you did cat, then you would be archaeologist. I like to be an archaeologist. And if you do hiking and if you do dog, then you're a zookeeper. Anyway, please give a comment down below on what you are, and please remember to subscribe, give a big fat thumbs up, and turn notifications on. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.